Thanks for tuning in to Corcelli's morning market update. S&P futures are up 3.25 handles this morning. Crude oil is up 0.5%. Natty gas down 1.75%. Gold down over 0.2%. Gold is getting hit a little bit. People are getting more and more confident in currency and equities, or at least that's what it appears to be the case. Dr. Copper down 0.5%. We have coffee for those people up in the Northeast where I'm from. Coffee's getting hit a little bit, down 0.6%. Cotton down 3%. Cotton's getting crushed today. What is going on in the world of cotton? Anyway, moving on to equity markets in Europe. Let's take a peeky peek. Everything's green. It's a sea of green. These markets are completely detached from all fundamentals, and they're detached from all macroeconomics. European equities are trading up 0.2% to over 1%. So if you want to take a look at some of these markets on an intraday daily basis, here's the chart. That's actually the DAX, Germany. Here's the CAC 40, France, the FTSE, and the Eurostock 50, which is the 50 largest companies in Europe. Anyway, moving on to Asia. The Nikkei 225 Japanese equities up almost 0.7%. Shanghai Composite up almost exact 0.7%. Let's look at some sovereign bond yields around the world. U.S. Treasuries got hit over the last hour or so. The yields are rising. The same thing for Canada. Brazil, Colombia, Mexico, the yields are higher. The prices are lower. European sovereign bonds, the yields are higher. Money's flowing out of bonds. Japanese sovereign bonds, the yields are lower, prices are higher. Same thing for Australia, New Zealand, South Korea. Let's take a look at China. China, the yields are higher, prices are lower. Okay, so with that said, let's move on to some of the top news. Top news: Brexit red lines drafted by EU 27 as UK plans its exit strategy. Let's go back to Dr. Copper for a moment. Dr. Copper is a doctor because it diagnoses all types of economies. Get some economic news out. Productivity in the U.S. fell 0.5% in the second quarter. Labor costs rose 2%. Well, anyway, Dr. Copper is down 0.75%, and we had issued a report on Glencore, which is the largest trading firm in copper. They also have a lot of mines. They mine a lot of physical copper. So we issued this back in September of 2015. We said that Investec actually got it wrong. Laura Lombardi got it completely wrong. And Glencore was trading at about 70 pounds. Today it's up to 195 pounds. And, it's the price of copper it hasn't rallied with the rest of the world. And even as the rest of the commodities, go higher, Dr. Copper is staying around 215, 220. It's not getting the bid that everything else is. So with that said, keep an eye on weak macroeconomic data and evidence of a slowdown, because Dr. Copper just doesn't believe in GDP growth right now. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, hit me up at Outsized Return or call my office, 305-379-4200. Introduce yourself. Tell me what it is that you want my help with. I'm happy to help. Have a great day.